Chris back at it again with another video. Today is going to be pretty cool. I'm going to SSR Performance in Orange County once again. This time I'm doing the brakes. It's that time and it's not cheap, I'll be honest with you guys. However, it is worth it because my brakes, honestly, I think if I'm not mistaken, they're almost out. I mean, I can start hearing the noise, you know, and it's starting to, you know, kind of worry me a little bit. However, I know the guys over at SSR Performance are going to take care of the brake job, so I'm feeling pretty confident it's going to come out clutch. However, they are doing one more thing that I'm super excited on, and that's the installation on air intakes. We're going, oh my goodness, why am I getting a call from my mom? Like I was saying, they're going to be putting on the intakes in my car, and I went with Injen Intakes only because I had Injen on my car, on my previous car, which was the Evo. I had it also on my G35 coupe that I had 10 years ago. I had an Injen colder intake and I loved it. I love the way it sounds, I love the way it performs. I've never had a complaint with them, to be honest with you. And yeah, so guys, right now I'm gonna be taking off to SSR Performance. Right now, as you can tell, I'm located at my shop right now. So, see you guys soon. Just pulled up to SSR Performance. Let's look at this lineup that's outside. Jesus Christ. Z01, Rari, this F80 CS, this E90, this is Bentley, I-35. And what do we have here? An M50i, sick. Dropping it off. Hopefully everything goes well. Gonna go talk to Rod and we'll see what happens. I love this show. No, I'll miss you, buddy. All right, let's go outside.
You want to go out the front, or are you going straight?
We can go out the back if you want. I already took a look at the front. It looks pretty dope. Yeah. And that's Paige right there. Hi, Paige. Hi. What's up, guys? How are you, man? Chris.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you guys.
Chris as well.
Oh, really? I'm dropping out my car right now, man. Dropping some dope.
Come on back. You probably saw this in a lot rougher shape last time.
Oh, yes.
Little sneak
yes. Little sneak peek, kind of. All right. Oh, my goodness. Damn. This is the one that was making all that popcorn noise, huh? God damn, dude. First time actually seeing it in person. Like legit. I'm not joking. I haven't seen one in person yet. Jesus. Dope, man. Whose is this?
Mine.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, bro. You do YouTube too.
Yeah.
You gotta hear this thing, dude.
God damn. Let's hear it, man.
We just did a downpipe install.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fuck.
So your title has to be loudest speaker in the world.
Oh, really? Jesus Christ, bro. That sounds so mean, bro.
You were expecting that, right?
I was not expecting that at all, man.
Wow.
So you got downpipes, what else?
That's all.
That's all?
Downpipe.
And what about the tune?
No tune yet. So we're working on the tune. That'll be done soon. I'm gonna roll it for now, and then we'll probably tune it next week.
What does that GR stand for right there?
Get ready for some fast action.
That's funny. That's cool, man. What's your name, bro?
Daniel.
Chris, man. Nice to meet you.
man.
You got an Instagram?
Yeah, Premium Auto Styling. So we're a vehicle route company.
Oh wait, I've heard about you guys before. Yeah.
We have a YouTube channel also.
Oh, that's cool, man.
We picked up the Supra and we're collaborating, doing a little install video.
Sick, man. Fuck. Dude, they always, it's Blue Smurf F80 M3.
Oh.
Yeah, man. And that's my same Instagram name too. Dude, you guys always have the coolest shit, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, we're out here at SSR Performance. You guys already know we're European automotive, turbos, exhaust. And, we got some love for the domestic guys too. So. Badass M3 right here.
Oh, whose is that? Oh, that's mine.
Yeah. Ferrari.
This is Rari, Lambo. Fucking lambs, man. They're so dope. And you guys are always packed, bro. You guys are always packed. But I appreciate the fact that you guys always take me in, man. I really do.
For sure.
Every time I give you guys a call.
Anytime, man. That's what we're here for.
All right, Rod.
All right, bro.
Thank you, bro. I'll be seeing you, okay?
Yeah.
I'll give me a call tomorrow.
We'll keep you posted.
Yeah.
Get them in. Maybe if it gets done tonight, I'll give you a call tonight so we can pick up in the morning early, whatever works out.
Perfect.
Good for you.
Oh my God, look at all those, man.
Yeah.
Mine are gonna be there soon, huh? Jesus. All right, man.
All right, dude.
Take care, dude.
Posted, man.
I'll see you, man.
All right, dude.
So I'm pretty much fucked. I gotta replace the rotors as well. Not only the brake pads as I hoped, but my rotors are completely baked. But that's part of the game. You gotta, what do they call it? Pay to play? Oh well. Until next time, guys. Until next time. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow when I pick up the car. So you guys will be checking out the brake install and the intake install. And I will be doing a couple pulls to see how the car feels after the intakes. Can't wait. It's like perfect weather outside. Perfect weather. Alright, so here are the new OEM BMW certified rotors and brake pads. Honestly, the car feels amazing. It stops on a dime, and I did not realize how shitty it was feeling now that I'm driving it with all new rotors and brake pads. It's night and day difference. Night and day. Car feels like new all over again. I'm so happy. And for the moment of truth, here are the intakes. There's a short one right here, and the longer one comes along this way, and it stops right there. I really like this design, the whole dual intake setup. I feel like obviously it gets more air than the single, but the reason why I like it the most is because it's got a short one, and it's got one that comes here, so it's getting air from both sides. It's quite amazing. I really dig it. So what they had to do in order to replace the OEM intakes was remove this gorgeous carbon fiber part along with a couple more components, and apparently it was a 45-minute install, so it was pretty smooth. The car sounds so much better. When you step on it, especially if you're using the paddle shifters, you can really hear the that amazing Injen intake sound. I can't get over it. I've been hauling ass ever since then. Ever since the install, I've been stepping on it every chance I get. I just honestly can't help it. It sounds great. Alright guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. As you can tell, I'm outside hanging out this beautiful afternoon with my lady, just enjoying this last couple days of summer. It feels like it's pretty much over. So guys, like I said, do not forget to like and subscribe, and just wait on the next video.